Alright guys, we're doing Flawless Basketball 15-16. This is a random serial number break. Number 9. Single box number 9, single box number 10 is going right after. It is filled it already. So whichever box we don't use right now, we'll use for number 10. Thanks again everybody for signing up and good luck to you. Get my knife and my die. Alright. Alright, if I roll an odd number, we'll break that top box. If I roll an even number, we'll break the one on the bottom. This is also for the draw. Hit the randomizer 3 times, break the top. Top box serial number is 921. Box number 10 will be 920. Alright, oops. Good luck. 3 times on the draw. We got ZK Road on the bottom and 1-1 on the top. 1, 2, and 3. NFG for Life 82 up top. Frankie Katz number 78. On to your numbers. 25 out of 25 on the bottom, 1 of 1 on the top. 1, 2, the third and final hit. Cross fingers, hold winners. Good luck. 3, 25 of 25 to the top. 5 out of 20 to the bottom. Of course, we hit any odd numbers that aren't on this list. We randomize them to everybody in the break. And it got me again. I can't get it. I can't remember to do it. Damn cells popping in like it's a date. There you go. Try that again. There we go. Alright, now we'll load them alphabetically by your name. And here we go. 1-1 down to Frankie Katz, the top 30. Gold 868 to Fireside 40, 31 to 60. And 61 to 78, Fireside 40 to ZK Road. All right, everybody. Good luck to you. That is the wrong list right there. Let's do it like this. Oh, yeah. Anybody trading numbers? Selling their numbers? Go Gators with 1 of 1. Let's go. Right about there looks good. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. That's right. Go Aztecs. Ooh, that's nice. That's a nice top card. John Stockton dual patch auto. Great. Number 9 out of 25. Who got that one? 9 of 25. D-backs. That's a good hit. That's David. Pretty good. 4-color, 2-color. Stockton. Patch auto. Giannis Antetokounmpo. 23 of 25. RB Rocks. Ryan. Congrats. Couple of heaters to start off. J.R. Smith. Hard to see the numbering, but that is 8. 8 out of 10 on J.R. Smith. NFG for life. Benedict. You have to ask harder. Ask harder. 4 of 5. David Robinson for Pugils. Emerald style. What's your number, Benedict? Let's see, where's Benedict? There he is. Oh, it's Ben and Hines. It's not Benedict. No, let's see your name on here. 16 out of 25? Oh, there you are. All right. 16 of 25 it is. 2 of 25. Avery Bradley. Premium ink. Let's see. 2 of 25 right here. Pop Nico. Jumbo patch. Numbered 11 out of 15. Aaron Gordon. Big pick. With 11. And second one of this. 2 out of 25. Second hit for that number. Pac Nico. Brandon Knight. Transitions. Detroit Pistons version of Brandon Knight right there. Okay. Check the insides. First up, Ruby, numbered out of 15, Patrick Beverly. 14 of 15. 5-side 40. The Uzzer Bedazzled card. US and a gold. Stephen Curry. Oh no, snap. Oh shoot. Oh poop. Piece of gold, 3 jewels. Oh man, where is it really? 7 of 10. 7 out of 10. Scotchy, black and red. Congratulations, Johnny. Steph Curry, USA. Some gold and jewels. Very nice. And oh boy, we got to open that second briefcase. We got Pippen. Who's getting Pippen? 87 to 98. It's numbered out of 25. It's the Bulls version of Pippen. That's the first one I've seen. We usually get the USA Pippen. 3 out of 25. 3 of 25. Boho Kiga Papa gets Pippen. That's going to do it. We'll random off the briefcase right now. Amongst your names, 3 clicks. 1, J-Dog. 2, S. Murphy. And 3, Crimson HC, aka NHLer. Greg wins the briefcase. Thanks, guys. Until next time. Peace.